A very warm evening to everyone, honorable dignitaries. So we are here to discuss about on the topic of perjury. So rightly from the very word itself, perjury arises from a Latin word that is perjurar, sorry. So the meaning of the per in that word is harmful, and the word traces back to the English common law. So in the ancient times, the witnesses or the take the oath under the name of the king or the lord. So making a false witness under their undertaking their oath was considered as a great offense. So thereafter the Indian criminal justice system, which has very traces of the colonial penal laws. So in the IPC itself, the offence of false statements and testimony has been rightly codified as a punishable offences, and thereafter in the BNS section 277 to 228 and 227, 228 and 229 rightly punishes the same offence. But everyone other of my fellow debaters mentioned about the punishment, the harsher punishment that is given under section 229 as the 7 years of imprisonment. So is that a right probable amount? So amount of ones like giving a false testimonies for a petty offense, like would a 7 years of imprisonment is a right amount for making just that false statement? Not only that, should perjury should be limited to only the false statement. In the today's progressive digital world, there are deepfakes, AIs of a video of false test, of a video of witness making a false statement, could be AI generative or a video. Should that not be listed under this? So mechanisms are there. The IT Act also governs it. The sections of BSAs, like the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha also addresses that. But the court constantly relies on the forensic evidence. But the resources, but the forensic labs are under resourced, and to identify those areas which are that whether the videos are AI generative or the real, the difficulty lies there. And not only that, the sexual punishments and laws exist, but their implementation is what is now required. So it is under the discretion of the court, like under section 376 of the BNSS, which where for the complete interest of justice, then and only the court will arise the proceedings, and then the prosecution will take up the frame charges against it. But there are times the courts are not rightly initiates the proceedings like that. So in that way, there are laws, but implementation is what is required right now. Thank you.